Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm in the middle of an Excel density lab report, and I just did a screenshot of a density unit calculation, a dimensional analysis that I would love to put in my report. And so I'm going to show you where to go to do this. I'm not going to show you the innards of my computer, but what you would do is click Insert. And I picked a spot kind of at the upper left, illustration, picture, and from this device. So I want you to click that if you have a picture that you would like to add into a sheet in your Excel document, and do so. So here is the little screenshot that I wanted to add in, and I think I'm going to kind of put it over here because I might want to talk about this a little bit later. But that is a little bit low tech, but still a nice addition to a lab report.